everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and that's right, the Everything Whole Wheat Sourdough Cookbook is now available. So if you have pre-ordered it, it is getting sent out right away, but now when you order it, you don't need to wait. The copies are in and it'll be shipped out when you order it. Let me just go over what this cookbook all entails. So first of all, I introduced my unique, simple two-step technique. So this totally revolutionizes the way you will make sourdough, and it will be so much easier. Plus it saves you a lot of time in the kitchen. So if you've got if you have a really busy schedule that you don't got a lot of time in the kitchen, you can still make delicious sourdough baking with your busy schedule. So this cookbook has a ton of recipes with a lot of pictures, lots of step-by-step pictures. For example, I'm just going to flip to sourdough pierogies, lots and lots of step-by-step pictures. And I'm just going to go through the table of contents for just a moment, just to list you some of the recipes that are in this cookbook. So to start off with, I start off with sourdough basics. It's in question and answer form. I go over all the information that you need to understand how to take care of your sourdough starter. That is so critically important, and I've dedicated a big chunk of this cookbook so you can understand how to take care of it in a very simple way. And then we dive into recipes. So we have the savory section. Some examples are, obviously, there's a lot of different kind of breads in here. Buttery dinner rolls, hamburger buns, flaky biscuits, pizza pockets, bagels, pretzels, cheese twists, pizza dough, cheese rolls, flatbread, crepes, pancakes, waffles, pasta, pierogies, and more. And then we have some sweet recipes. We've got a lot of different kind of cakes. We've got cookies. We've got all different kind of pies. We have muffins. We got sourdough granola, donuts, croissants, danishes, and turnovers, and more as well. So this is jam-packed. And again, step-by-step instructions, full pictures. This is for cinnamon rolls, full pictures. I love step-by-step pictures, and so this is why I set it up, because I love cookbooks that have clear, crisp pictures that I can read the instructions and then I can look at the pictures and yeah, I know exactly what's happening. And so that's how I created this cookbook, so you can read the directions and follow the pictures as well. So check this book out on my website. It is exclusive to the website, so you gotta go on to everything-homemade.com to order this book. I ship worldwide, and I just want to say thank you in advance for purchasing my cookbook and supporting my family. And of course, the Everything Stevia cookbook is still available on the website, and there is a bundle deal if you order the Everything Stevia cookbook and the Everything Whole Wheat Sourdough Cookbook as well. Once again, it's exclusive to the website at everything-homemade.com. And thanks again for supporting my family.